Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here today at Evergreen Raceway in PA, and we're gonna do some driving today. Last day of the year for us driving before the car comes apart. In the next video, we're gonna go over what we're doing with the car for the winter time. But for today, we're gonna have some fun. It's an okay day weather-wise, but it's kind of wet. We're gonna save on a lot of tires, so we bought a lot of tires for no reason, but that's fine. Better to have more than not enough. We got the JZX90 out here. You guys commented sim more than 10 times, so thank you all for that, because now Louis gonna have to drive, and I think we're gonna get Dario behind the wheel too. So we're gonna have a blast today. I can't wait to drive, get out there with the boys, and just lay down some laps. You guys commented sim.
I don't want to do this, guys.
I know, we're forcing him. You don't know how much persuasion this took, guys. It took a hot 15 minutes
I don't like
just to get him in the seat.
I don't like driving other people's cars, but
I know, but it's the channel's car, so it's our car. Yeah, exactly. See how silent he got, guys? See how silent? Got the helmet up. We're just gonna go on the skid pad, have some fun, get a feel for the car, and take it from there. But we already know Louis is gonna kill it, so go Louis. We love you.
I'll try.
We're going outside. Let's get it, Louis. We got some tire smoke. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. But he's just out here.
Want to drive it? Is that he didn't want to drive?
How is it?
Detective!
Let me in. There we go. How are we feeling?
It feels great.
It feels good. You look great.
It feels great. The car feels great.
You look fantastic. You got tire smoke going. You got pops and bangs. It sounds good. It looks good. You look comfortable behind the driver's seat, like in camera. Like you just look like you're at home. Like you look like where you should be at. Yeah. When Louis the FD driver, he's gonna thank me. for this day. Right now, Daryl's taking the heat real quick because we got busting heat and AC in this car for track day, so we take advantage. How you feeling? Huh? How you feeling?
Good, just my hands.
Taking some figure eights? Still doing it?
Seat's not sliding back. There we go.
That's a wrap. It's been a fun day out here. Super fun. Luis got to drive a little. Dario got to drive. Yes. I had a lot of seat time today. A lot of tandem practice. Got to practice a lot of chasing, which is something I really want to work on going into next season. So thank you to Lenny for inviting me and having me come out here and drive at Drift Evergreen with them. And the car ran great. We bruised up the back bumper a little bit. Sorry, M Sports, Frankie. Well, we'll get it fixed this winter time and get the car back and ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. I know drifting content isn't always the best YouTube content, but we definitely tried our best to make it as interesting and enjoyable as we could. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you on the next one.